Hello children, welcome back to Max Me Easy. Let's continue with simple linear equations, exercise 14D, part 18. Here is our 18th question. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than its denominator. Here, what they are saying children, first understand the question. Let me explain you the question. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. That means a numerator is 4 less, that is than the denominator, but they haven't given any denominator value in this question. If 1 is added to both one numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction, right? They didn't give the value of denominator, so you can consider this denominator as x. If you consider the denominator as x, then look the question now children. The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the x, right? That means x minus 4 is the numerator. We all know that in fraction it is divided into two parts, and the top portion is called as numerator and the lower portion is called as denominator. So here, so the denominator is considered as x, right? So in denominator place you can write it as x. And what is numerator? 4 less than the denominator. That means denominator minus 4. Right children? And now 1 is added. This is what the fraction is. And if suppose we are adding 1 to the numerator as well as denominator, then the fraction becomes what? Then the fraction becomes 1 by 2, right? That means the result when you add plus 1 on numerator as well as denominator, the fraction will give, the answer you get is 1 by 2. I hope it's clear. And we need to find this part, this fraction part. This fraction part. You need to find this fraction part. So to get this fraction part, you need to find the value of x. If you get x value, then you can substitute the places, x place over there, x value over there, and get the numerator as well as denominator, and you will get the answer, right? So in exam you need to write it in a step basis, since we don't know what is denominator, but they have said that numerator is 4 less than this denominator. So the denominator be y and the numerator is y minus 4, right? You can consider anything. You can even consider it as z and z minus 4, right? Here I have previously I have imagined as x, and here I am imagining as y. That's not a problem. So to this we need to add 1. If 1 is added, 1 is added to numerator and denominator. This is denominator and this is numerator, right? So 1 is added to denominator, y plus 1, and to numerator, y minus 1 plus 1, right? So here, look here children, one is having negative sign, other is having positive sign. So put the bigger number sign and subtract it, that is minus 3, y minus 3, right? So when 1 is added, you will get like this. You will get y plus 1 and y minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Now we need to simplify this expression. Here y minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1, right? First we need to get this to the numerator side. What is the sign between these two? Division. So division comes on the either side, it becomes multiplication. So when it comes on this side, that is towards the right side, because it is in the left side, we are getting it towards the right side, it becomes multiplication. Similarly, you have to get this 2 on the either side because it is in the division form. So get it to the numerator. What is the sign between this 1 and 2? Division. So division becomes multiplication. That means 2 into y minus 3 is equal to 1 into y plus 3. So when it is in this two fractions are there in this positions, then you can even say that cross multiply. You have to multiply this 2 over here and y plus 1 over here. You can even do as cross multiplication, or else the division comes on the either side, it becomes multiplication, right? Just multiply this 2 inside with first term as well as second term. 1 is multiplied with first term and second term. So y into 2, 2y, plus into minus minus, 2 3s are 6 is equal to 1 into y, 1 into 1, 1. Now get all the y terms at one side and numbers towards the other side. So when you get this y on the either side, it becomes minus because its sign is plus and it is coming on the either side of this equal to. So 2y minus y is equal to, when the 6 is coming on the either side of the equal to, it becomes plus 6. Here one is having a positive sign, other is having negative sign. Just put the bigger number sign, that is plus sign, and subtract it. That is y is equal to 7. So y value is 7. Now you need to substitute this y value over here. What is denominator? It is y and numerator is y minus 4. Just substitute over here. Children, you should not substitute in this place y plus 1 and y minus 1, because they have said if 1 is added, right? So this is the real fraction that they have given, but suppose, it is just suppose, if 1 is added to it, the answer becomes 1 by 2. This is to this they have given to help you out in finding this fraction, right? So you need to substitute only here in this value. So denominator y is equal to 7, and similarly numerator y minus 4. And what is y value? 7, right? 7 minus 4. One is having positive, other is having negative. Just put the bigger number sign and subtract it. It becomes 3. Now just arrange this 7 and 3 in a fraction, and 7 by 3 is the answer. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for many more sample problems on simple linear equations. Thank you.